Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Microsoft Edge browser on the Motorola Moto G53. And to do this you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside try to find an app called Microsoft Edge. Select it and install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open the browser. From here, sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it with sign in later button. Set up for a data sharing preference. And lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. From here, your browser should be ready. You can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.